Feed rate steady at 80%. Copy that. Dust levels nominal. Good. Monitor the bark output. Feed rate holding steady at 80 feet per minute. Blades are clear. Sawdust extraction is optimal. Next log aligned. Precision is within spec.
Calibrating to 25.
Red confirmed. Perfect. Align the spacers evenly for airflow. Confirm temperature hold at 70 degrees. Stack secured. Retract cart. Scanners are stable at 11%. Spot check confirms 12.5. This batch is stacking clean. Viscosity is stable at 1200 centipoise, maintaining even flow. Coating thickness is within tolerance. No adjustments needed. Designs are locked in. Queuing the full batch now.
Roger that. Running simulation on the chair legs.
Confirmed. Machine is processing. We are at full efficiency. The conveyor system transports shaped parts to robotic stations, where arms sort and place them with precision into categorized bins. This synchronized workflow Checking joint tolerances, caliper reads 12.45 millimeters, within spec
Confirming.
0.8. Under the lamp, the finish is flawless, no anomalies.
This batch is approved.
Applying controlled force now. Readings are stable, deflection is within tolerance. Excellent. Hold for peak load.
Force retracting, no structural issues.
Alignment looks good on this batch. Keep the feed steady. Speed is at target. No jams detected. Next stack incoming. Let's maintain this pace. Pattern is stable, proceed to next layer. Confirmed, moving to inspect base alignment. Scan initiated. Reading pallet code. Code confirmed. P12345 logged. Entry complete. Ready for next. Order 4567. Aisle 7, rack 14.
Copy that. You're down.
Careful. It's heavy.
Coming in. Clear the path.
Confirmed. Next aisle. Lead truck, confirm dispatch schedule. Proceed to gate. Confirmed. Moving out.
Second and third trucks, hold interval. Gate clear.
Lead truck cleared. Clipboard updated. Living room items to showroom. Copy. Diverting now.
Storage units clear on this side.
Efficiency metrics are up. Good work. Let's align these tables first.
Got it. Moving the lamps now.
Perfect. Check the spacing.
Looks balanced. Ready for the next section. Adjusting the alignment on table 1.
Looks good. Make sure the labels face forward. Table 2 is aligned. Moving to 3.
Perfect. That completes the main zone.
Great work, team. Order WH4721, Bay A15. Copy that. Coming in for the pick. Pallet secured. Zone A clear. Lifting now. Heading to dispatch.
Scanning your items now.
Great, thanks.
That'll be 4570.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Have a great day.
All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Steady now. Careful with the edge. Got that in. Pushing in now. Good. Good. Secure it. All set. Flow rate's holding steady at 450 liters per minute. Purity is up to 98.7%. Adjusting the pH valve now.
Sample confirms we're at optimal lows for disposal.
Line 1 throughput is climbing. Let's optimize the speed.
Confirmed. Efficiency is up. Calibrating assembly now.
Good. Monitor for any deviations. Keep it smooth.
Status is normal. Production rate is up. Understood. Any issues? None. The system is stable. Got it. I'll take over. Good. See you.